Hello all YouTubers, I am the Weather Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a live view outside of my house of what the snow looks like right now. You can see it coming down very treacherously. A snow plow has just recently gone by, causing that snow to go to either sides of the roadway. You can see the grass is completely covered, as well as my driveway. You can see across the street as well, snow is covering the driveways and the grassy surfaces. So Winter Storm Petra is very dangerous. It is packing a real punch across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Areas like Washington, D.C. could transfer to rain at around 2, maybe even 2:30 in the afternoon. So something to watch out for, but a period of ice right now in Washington, D.C. And if you're farther north like Philadelphia, expect that change over around 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So, without further ado, let me show you my video and my time-lapse video. Cue the snow.